Hi, my name's Tom. If you're an Edward Hopper fan, like I am, this is my Nighthawks poster. I got it from Amazon a couple years ago and went ahead and framed it. You might be looking for other things about Hopper, some more information about Hopper. I cannot recommend enough this book. My kids got me this for Christmas and I love it. It's Hopper's Places by Gail Levin. She's kind of a famous Hopper scholar. She's done a lot of study on him. She's written papers on him. This is her second edition of the book, I believe. This is a really, really neat book. Let me show you what it has. First of all, it's a lot of biography, a lot of information. It's filled with pictures and photographs. But here's what the book essentially does: is it will go ahead and show you a Hopper painting, like the one over here, and then it will show you a photo of what is there now. So Gail went out and actually found places that Hopper painted, and then went ahead and took pictures of what they look like now. And then in some cases, she'll have multiple pictures with multiple time frames, from multiple angles sometimes. You'll notice that sometimes Hopper will remove things or delete things, and then sometimes, obviously, with the change of time, here's a great cityscape. Uh, that great big red building in the background was there, and now it's gone. Now it's actually gone in the cityscape, and there's tons of explanation, the lighting, about the actual buildings themselves, about where he went, about his whole timeline as he traveled up and down with his marriage and his honeymoon, and kind of travels with his wife. The whole book is really, really fascinating. I've gone through the whole thing once, and now it sits on my coffee table. And so every, week or two, I'll pick it up and I'll just page through, and I was like, wow, that's kind of cool. I forgot about that, or that's kind of neat. It's a really great book if you're a fan of Edward Hopper. Obviously, if you know someone who's a fan, this is a wonderful gift. It's kind of a surprise gift, and it's really, 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 really neat. It's highly recommended.